Today we'll guide you through using the Rapid, one of Grand Rapids' public transportation options, with the help of the Transit app. There are other forms of public transportation, but for today's video we will be riding the Rapid and using the Transit app to plan our trip. Firstly, ensure you've downloaded the Transit app to your phone. This app isn't just for tracking bus routes. It's your all-in-one tool for planning trips and managing time efficiently. Upon opening the app, your current location is marked by a blue circle with nearby buses listed by number. Use the Where To bar to input your destination, and the app will display nearby options for you to select from. Once we select our route, the app will show us an available route option. Pick the one that is best for you. It is important to know that if you are selecting a route that transfers you to another bus, you will have to pay again if you're using cash. If you are using a card for contactless payment, you are able to transfer to another bus for 1 hour and 45 minutes as long as you use the same card. Using a Wave card will also give you free transfers for 1 hour and 45 minutes. After we pick the route we want to take, the app will show us how far away the bus is, when we should start walking to our bus stop, and the walking directions. If you're not using the Transit app, you can access Google Maps to find routes nearby. However, they do not update current bus locations and will not report route changes or delays. For that reason, we are focused on the Transit app. Now that we've made it to our bus stop, there may be some benches to sit on, or you can stand nearby. Just be sure you are close enough that it is clear you will be getting on the bus. When the bus starts to approach, you will be able to see on the front of the bus there will be a number, which corresponds with the route number. Be sure to check your route number to get on the right bus. As the bus approaches, you can give a wave to let the bus driver know you will be getting on. Make sure to step back from the curb and wait to step on the bus until it comes to a full stop. You'll be getting on the bus at the front door, as there might be some people who are getting off from the rear door. Once you get on the bus, there will be a small electronic box where you will be able to pay for your ride with a credit or debit card or your Wave card. There is another option to pay with cash, but you will have to have exact fare or the amount due because the bus is busy, not on a schedule, and will not be able to provide change. After paying, look for an open seat on the bus and work your way back. Some people will prefer to sit alone, so if there are open seats, it may be best not to sit next to someone who is already seated on the bus. But if there are no open seats, you may have to. You are also able to stand on the bus, but move toward the back of the bus if you choose to do so that others can enter and exit the bus easier. Now that we're on the bus, heading toward our destination, be sure to pay attention to where you are on the route and listen to the announcements from the bus driver so that you don't miss your stop. When you begin to approach your bus stop, there are some wires along the windows that you will pull down to let the bus driver know that you will be getting off the bus. Exiting the bus is as simple as signaling the driver and waiting for a complete stop. Depending on your seating location, use either the front or rear doors to exit safely. If you are in need of any accommodations or assistance, you can speak with the bus driver. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Rapid. We hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Grand Rapids' public transportation system. Happy travels.